Okay guys, here's a rendering of the kitchen to size and scale. Starting off 36-inch range, a spice pull-out on the left or right, and a tray divider for cookie sheets, etc. Drawers on the bottom, and upper cabinets that are 37 inches tall, terminating at the ceiling with crown molding. With your fridge cabinet, a fridge leg on the left, and base and upper. The front of the island, your sink, and we can do an apron sink in that, dishwasher, and this is the trash. So, and this is a good measurement to this exterior wall. So these are 24 deep. You did a foot overhang on the back. You'll still have room for the table here. So if we look from the back wall or do a measurement, to the back of the island without the overhang is 127 inches. The overhang will come back about a foot, so 127 minus 12 inches to give you your amount of space between the wall and the island overhang for your kitchen table. And the back and the sides, all the exposed backs and sides of the cabinets would be a shaker panel, the same as these here. This fridge leg on the left side would be a slab because there's cabinets that butt up next to it. But here we are. Let me know what you think, and we can take it from there. Thanks, guys.